Watch this video and learn how to draw a budgie. Later in the show, Bunny Fluffington has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Louie reading some of his poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, gang, let's go. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, little artists.
Hello, Artie. That was a nice welcome.
Yeah.
You're in a good mood.
Oh, Artie's in a very good mood. Thank you for asking.
You know those little birds called budgies?
Yeah.
Should we draw one now?
Okay. Whoa. Yeah.
Greetings, little artist!
What's up, little artists?
I'm so happy to see everyone today!
Are you ready, Artie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Well, come on then. It's time to start the art.
Yeah. Okay, let's get going. Woohoo. Yeah.
Let's start by drawing the eyes. All we need is 2 little circles towards the top of the paper, shaded in black. It's as simple as that. Well, that looks like 2 little blackberries.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Me and Artie like blackberries. They're very yummy. Now let's draw a little number 8 on its side, as if it's laying down having a little nap. If Artie's drawing too quick, here's a message from our friend Bobby Bananas.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That's bananas!
Let's add the budgie's beak, a little triangle shape underneath. Now it's time to draw the head. We're going to draw a big half-circle shape all the way around the eyes, starting on the left, going across the top, and ending on the right.
Hello, Artie! Did you miss me?
Yeah.
Ooh, you always draw the cutest things. Makes me smile.
Thank you.
Bunny kisses and carrot wishes. Bye!
Bunny kisses.
Oh, Artie, that's not nice. She's only being kind. I think she really likes you. Let's finish the bottom of the head, coming all the way round, making a sort of W shape at the bottom.
Oh, it's time for a dance break. Dance break, time for a
Okay,
dance
Artie,
break, dance
okay,
break,
we get
dance
it.
break.
You
Oh,
want a dance break?
yeah.
Okay.
Yay! Okay, dance break. Yeah.
Dancing is fun.
Come on, little artists, let's all dance.
I have no words. 10. Just 10.
Oh, that was a really fun dance break. Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing now and finish?
Yeah.
There's not much left.
Yeah, okay.
Now we're going to draw some little black triangles all the way along the left side of our Budgie's head. If you look at a Budgie, they have this strange marking on their heads. It's very cute though. Keep going around, Artie. Just a few more triangles. Perfect. Keep watching, because coming up is one of Louie's poetry corners. Let's draw our Budgie's body. We'll start with the back. A big long line down, a little bend, and then another curved line. Then come along and go right back up to the head. Let's finish the tail feather at the bottom. Oh look, Artie, here comes Barry Tone.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, look at that drawing. It's hitting all the right chords. Oh, oh, oh. Bye.
Oh, Barry, you've started all the neighbourhood dogs barking again. Now let's draw 8 little black circles all the way up our Budgie's wing. How many have we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just 2 more. 7, 8.
She's trying her best, you know. Oh, ho, ho. Hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a lovely little poem all about the Artie show. Okay, here we go. On Artie's show, the fun won't end. With Mikey, Louie, that's me, and every friend. Bobby Bananas makes us laugh out loud, while Barry Tone sings to every crowd. Betty Brush shows colours so bright, and Artie's drawings bring pure delight. Yes, they do. So gather around, let's laugh and play. Artie's show makes a magical day. Wow, well, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw our Budgie's tummy. A big curved line coming down from the head towards the tail feather. Now I think he needs some of those funny little skinny Budgie legs. Let's start off with the left one. A straight line down and another one beside it. And then let's draw his foot. Don't forget his little toes.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
That's amazing!
Now let's draw the right leg. Try and make it look similar to the one you've already drawn. Doesn't have to be exact, but similar. That's it. Well, Artie, I think you might be finished.
I'm finished. Ooh.
I thought you were. It looks really good.
Yeah.
Let's colour it.
Yeah, let's colour it in.
Color it in! Color it in!
Artie's finished.
Wow, Artie, that's very good. It's very artistic.
Artie is very arty.
You sure are.
Tomorrow you're gonna need a marker. But until then,
Have an Artie day!
We hope you had fun. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye. Have an arty day. Bye. Bye.